Nullify. Eye-catching. Matte black finish makes a bold statement. Intelligent design. Towel bar length fits standard hand towel dimensions. Easy installation. Includes necessary Allen wrench and hardware kit with step-by-step instructions. ADA compliant. Complies with Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA specifications. The Genta bath suite boasts contemporary, curved edges for an appealing, yet substantial style that brings a sleek feeling to the bathroom. The matte black finish is the perfect complement to modern spaces. A full suite of matching faucets and accessories is available to complete the look of your bath. Top reviews from the United States. Nice looking. Easy to install. Looks great because it matches our faucet and toilet roll holder. The towel bar has a bit of a rattle to it though because of its design.